Okay, so if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that pops up notification. So each time we post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect to the school and new to this video. So we all know every Sunday or every Saturday we drop our weekly chart analysis breakdown, where we give a breakdown on how we trade daily. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a breakdown on how we took and how the trade went daily from the beginning to the end, from Monday, no, from Sunday 11:59 GMT plus one to Friday 11:59 p.m. GMT plus one. So without wasting much time, let's go. So you all know that first thing we go to the 4 hour time frame. And in that 4 hour time frame, we in that 4 hours time frame, yeah, in that 4 hour time frame, in that 4 hour time frame, we determine my high and low of the week by clicking on the section, that section break. Section break help me to determine, I use section break to determine the first trade of the week. Then already is just been a shortcut. So this is the first candle. So this is the first candle that print. You can say this 11, this first candle, this bullish candle is the first candle, and it was higher than the second candle. So this is the other candle. So after that, we close it out. Then we determine the high and the low. Then we go to the 1 hour for time frame to determine, to do the section top down analysis here. So when we come to the 1 hour help us to understand the overall trend. So in the overall trend, in the overall, in the overall trend, it tells us bits to be. Then we go to 15 minutes time frame. We took our no, we took entries because we go to 4 hours to determine, we go to 4 hours in order to determine the chart, the trade part. We come to 1 hour to for confirmation, and we go to 15 minutes to take entry. Then immediately, I always say that when the third candle, sorry guys, when the third candle either break out from the low or the high of the week. If it break above the high of the week, that means we're expecting more of buy for that week. If it breaks below the low of the week, we'll be expecting more of sell for that week. So, I don't wish me all the time. Then we can see that this candle, it breaks out. It forms a W pattern. Some call it a double bottom, some call it double top, whatever, but mainly it's just the simple analogy here is called a W pattern. So mainly from this W pattern, so it has to hedge above here. This is a confirmation. Then immediately it got to this zone. This green line was a weak support, a resistance that has been happening for a very long time because the arrow has not breached above that to determine the eye of the trend. So I just put this zone here. We have to take a sell here, and immediately we came to this zone here. Immediately breaks out. So number one, some of the stuff that happen here because of the manipulation of the fundamental. Because the forthcoming election in the United States of America on November 12th is drastically affecting the market gradually. And we have this double pattern here. Mainly it comes to this zone. If I was to pay attention, I would take a sell from this zone sharp. So then it came to this zone, consolidate, came here. Man, you see this zone here. You have delete it. You see this zone, I was expecting the price to touch this trend line, then I could react. That's what make you a price action trader, and that's what make you react always. And so came to this zone. That was the zone that I saw that I blew off my funded account. So I won't forget this zone. Even though I forget it here, that zone it has been marked. So When it comes to this thing here, I was I sent the signal to my friend. I used to leave guy back. Say prof, leave me. I said back. So maybe do 1 2 to 1, each tip included. So unfortunately, this was NFP. So what is NFP? As I was saying, NFP is just an acronym of non-farm payroll. This help the United States of America determine the overall job gotten. Either the chart state that is better than expected, because in fundamental analysis, better than expected simply state that the people that got job are much more than people that lost jobs. So if you show that alone, if it states worse than expected, what does it mean? It means that a lot of people did not get job for that month. That is always that NFP that always came up. It always happened. To those who are newbie, NFP always happens during every first Friday of the month. So this spike here drastically happen. So that is our week when trading Euro USD. So let me take you to gold, SAUSD. We all know that it's still the same thing. Go to the 4 hour time frame, determine your high and low of the week. Go to the 1 hour time frame to gather more conferences. Then you go to the 15 minutes time frame to take your entry. So there was this zone here. This is the low of the week, this is the high of the week. So it breaks below. So then when I saw this rejection, then we have to took a signal here. We have to took an entry here. Yeah. So in this entry, we just we just have to took entry here. Then it hit our SL. So you see this W pattern. Immediately from this W pattern, it came to this zone. I wanted to sell. You say sell what? How are you going to sell? It breaks out. I remember vividly. Immediately I saw this break out, this top loss got smashed. I was waiting for a break and retest to happen. In a state like in a form of break, this is just this is just a form of breaks. This is just a form of break and retest. So in breaks and retest, then this zone happen. So sorry guys. So this zone happen. When it happened, I saw this zone here this week. So I could not see. Then I remember immediately come to this zone. This was where I take trade 4 a.m. last week. I woke up to trade. So because I was immediately break this zone, I took entry here. So it hit my take profit. I closed out. Immediately like I was showing this, then I was waiting for price to retest because immediately gone to the zone this is the low of the week. Then I was waiting for price to like to form a W pattern before I could took advantage of the market. Then immediately come to this zone, it could not touch to this zone before a flash up. So that is how we never took that trade because I would have bounced back from that challenge last week. So if you're not watching the video, please don't forget to go watch your video that I just released on the YouTube channel. So this was when the NFP happened. I was waiting for price to go to this high of the week. Then I said, then if you can see, this is an EMA candle. If you pay attention very well, this EMA candle, if it happens at the top, it means there's going to be a rejection. That means sellers are about to open. So if it happens at the bottom, meaning that buyers are going to open to the market. This is the major candle when Lenny, I use Lenny to the truth. Then immediately after everything went down, then this was a pending over like orders that were to be setting on this zone. So immediately gone here, this was how I didn't know trading SAUSD. SAUSD, what's SAUSD? SAUSD is gold. It's very volatile and it's not everybody thing. So before I end the video, let me quickly take you guys to GBP USD. So in GBP USD, as you can see, this on GBP USD. That means Great British Pound US dollar. That's what it states. So it says Great British Pound. As you can see, I mean, because I want you guys to understand one sort of application. But I won't take you well. Maybe by next time we'll be going through fresh chart so you will understand everything I'm stating. So on GU, so we took this first buy. That is our TP smash. Again, this thing now on our Telegram channel. I send everything we did here to the Telegram channel, unless the ones that I took that I blew those accounts. I immediately I saw this trade here. This was a psychological level, and this is a resistance zone. So it went down. If I mean I saw this week down, this is it retesting my eye of the week. I have to execute trades. Then it came to this zone, it's my TP. I opened to the market. So before the trade starts happening, I saw this form of this W pattern. I saw this form of W, this form of W pattern. When I saw you, I also take it. Even the conclusion I took entry, then our stop was going to it. So we see more observe for that week. So this was when I initially took those. So when that price, I remember vividly when it comes to this zone, when the chart comes to this zone, I took a sell here. So when it comes to this, it has not got to our LCL. Like something is happening down, can really tell. I can't give a tell or I can't even track to it. Then as it just happened, I just close out. Immediately I just buy. And let me go back to check like my drawdown. So I was just $30 away from blowing this account. And let me just come back and put it closer because I have this belief and with my strategy which to 1 to 3, I could be back. I could bounce back. So I just got an email from F from Fundaentals, the company that I blew the account. So this was how it went to the GBP USD. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that turns on notification. Yes, I will withdraw your profit. And we are heading to 1K before the year runs out. This is October. So subscribe. Peace out.